True greatness. It comes from taking responsibility for your strength, your firearm, your power. And responsibility always starts with respect. Respect for that power, for your surroundings, and for life itself. But respect alone is not enough. Responsibility also demands skill, practicing to build confidence and knowing how to handle your firearm safely. This is our goal, to go where respect and skill meet. With every practice, every repetition bringing us closer to that goal, letting us reach the versions of ourselves we never thought we could find. Respect the power, master the skill.